Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create the 1800 Google Books Ngram viewer video challenge on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So what is this trend? This trend is where users show a Google Books Ngram search page and where you can search for a term. Look for a date far in the past where the term saw a spike in everyday use, then transition it to a series of Photoshop images showing historical figures in situations related to the modern term. So to create this, first you need to open a web browser on your phone and navigate to books.google.com/ngrams. Then start to record your screen using your iPhone screen recorder or the Android screen recorder. Search for your term and you want to create a video on. Here I'll search for car and then move along the timeline until you see a spike around the 1800 time. Make sure to put your cursor or pointer there so the viewer can see this. After this, you can stop the screen recording. Now navigate to Google Images and download some pictures related to your 1800 term. So in my case, it will be roads and buildings. So I'll download 2 of them for my photo gallery. The next thing you want to search for is some modern cars. So in my case, I'll search for Tesla and I'll go ahead and download 1 or 2 of them. Here you need to make sure they're transparent so there's no background on it. If you want to remove background on an image, you can use a website called pixlr.com and remove it using that. Now go to the App Store and make sure you've downloaded these 2 apps. One is InShot and the other one is CapCut. Open the InShot application, tap on Photos, select your old 1800 photo you've downloaded from Google, and the next thing is to add some modern touch to it, so tap on Sticker, then tap on the image icon and select your modern image. Once the image appears, you can then resize it or move it wherever you like. Then press a tick to confirm it. Now go ahead and download it to your gallery by pressing the export button at the top right. Now do this for the second image as well. Now once you're done, go back to TikTok and then do a search for the 1800 trend videos. Tap on one of them and download the video so you get the audio as well. You can do this by pressing the share icon and then pressing save video. Now go ahead and close the app and open up the CapCut application. Tap on new project. Import the 2 videos, the video you downloaded from TikTok and the screen recording video. Select the first video which you downloaded from TikTok and using the extract audio tool, extract the audio. Now delete the video from the timeline by selecting it and then pressing delete. Now adjust the clip so it stops when the beat kicks in. Here at the end of this clip, CapCut will add its outro. You can select it and delete it. Now you can add your 2 photos you have edited from your gallery by pressing the plus sign. Adjust the photos so it matches the music. Now make sure to add the 3D zoom effect on both of the images. You can do this by selecting the image and then clicking on style and then selecting the 3D zoom effect. Make sure you apply the effect to both of the images. Once you're done, go ahead and play it and make sure it is all correct. And then once you're happy, tap on export at the top right to export this video. And there you go, that is how to create the 1800 trend TikTok videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you found this useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.